Hi, today we are going to show you how to change the lamp and the color wheel on Samsung model HL-P5085W. The most important thing, the first thing you have to do is unplug the television from the power outlet. First thing. The second thing, you need to remove the back cover of the television. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. The middle screw and the other screws. I've already taken off few of those screws. Unscrew with a flip screwdriver. And you see the lamp. This is the lamp you're going to replace. It's very easy to do. Turn anti-clockwise the 2 screws and pull the lamp out. And this is the lamp. I put the new lamp in to replace it. Just check the orientation of these connectors. Make sure the replacement has the orientation is the same way. If not, it's easy. Just unscrew this screw here and turn it around to make it the same way it is from the old one before you put it in. Okay? Now we're going to show you how to replace the color wheel in this television. The first thing you have to do is disconnect the cables, the connections, and you see the connection, one connection here. Inside here, one, the second one, on the board, and take it apart, take the side. The other one, this one here, connect to the television, and plug that. The next one is connected with this flip screwdriver, flip screw. Undo that, and you can just pull that out. So that's completely undone, this side. And this side, you really don't have to do anything. This one you don't have to disconnect. The only one you have to disconnect is this connector here. Push out. And the next one, disconnect this one. And it's done. Now with the flip screwdriver, there are 2 screws for this engine here. Note that's a ground wire is attached to one of the screws. Undo this. And it's another screw. And once you have done that, the whole engine will slide out. So make sure you don't get the wires in the way. So slide out the entire unit out. And I'm going to put it on the ground here. Or put it on the table. To show you how to remove the color wheel from here. You need one of the short flip screwdriver. Undo the screws one inside here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in total. Once you loosen those screws, you can just lift up, separate this unit from the base unit. Now your color wheel, this is your color wheel here. The color wheel is attached with 2 flip screws. Undo the screws. Then you need to disconnect 2 connectors, one here. Be careful. The next one, there's a little sponge holding the other piece in place. You need to take that off and disconnect this one, slowly pull it down. These connectors. This is very important. You see that there's not really a connector, but it's just a flat cable there. Once you have disconnected those, you can simply pull the color wheel out. And this is the color wheel. In this case it's broken, you can see it. And you can get the old unit. The wheel unit number is BP9600697A. I got it for $117. Postage free. Once you get the new wheel on, simply replace it. Before you replacing them, you need to clean any dust inside. So use a compressed air can to clean everything inside, or you can vacuum it. Once you have done that, replace this unit, new unit, and carefully insert this cable, the first cable, and the next one, and take your time and make sure the cable is in correctly. And basically put this back. And properly tighten this. And the old unit back in. And attach the ground wire to the first one. And second screw. And attach all the cables back. Just bring this first one. And the second cable. Goes back inside. This one goes all the way back, and of course a screw. And this one goes back in here. And go back. And the final cable goes back in. And the bulb, the lamp, make sure this is properly in. And that's it. And the screws are in. You have replaced the lamp and the color wheel in model number HL-P5085W. Thank you.